Hello, this is Nonna Maria. I'm attempting to make a Sicilian cookies that they call Savoiardi. 6 eggs room temperature, 3.5 cups of sifted flour, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 2.5 cups of sugar. Let's begin. Let's mix the eggs until they're fluffy and soft like a pale color. Now is when you achieve this color, pale yellow, little by little, 3.5 cups of sifted flour. Okay, and you mix gently. After you had a little elbow, because it's heavy, now you put it on a piping bag. I don't have a piping bag, so I'm making one myself. Okay, you're gonna do the rest with the spoon. Now you start piping them like this. Okay? Let's do the rest. Okay, they come out a little messy. I did 2 batches. I still have a lot more. We'll see what comes out. 350 the oven. They came out gigantic, ginormous. But look, it's good on the bottom in the oven because they didn't all fit. Voila. They're ready. The other ones are still cooling off. They're all gigantic. Okay, and this is my Savoiardi Sicilian cookies. Reminds me of my childhood. Ciao! I'm gonna put the sugar, the powdered sugar. My God, sometimes I can't even think. Okay, ciao. This is Nonna Maria, my Sicilian Savoiardi.